literally got to the point now where we can see over the clouds. If I'd slipped off, it'd take a while to hit bottom, wouldn't it? This is a Col de la Machine. It's a new day, Mediterranean. Absolutely fantastic. Jamais pour Pooley on the Deauville. You got this massive body of water that is Lake Geneva. We're in a different country. We've just gone international, haven't we? Ooh, crying. Bonjour, bonjour, Mr. Tractor. Convertible, that. It's lovely and warm. Oh, if only it were like this in the UK. Looks like we've got an orchard. Fantastic. Some sort of, I don't know. I can't see no fruit on them. Yeah, it's lovely, this is. Just past a nice little waterfall. I'm sure I've included that in the video. It was lovely, very nice. Not as daring as the others, standing on wall to get a picture, flipping it. It'd be a hard landing if you come off it. I'll shut my visor so you can hear me. I'm hoping this downhill stuff's going to conserve a bit of fuel, because the old fuel light's going to be coming on soon. Look at that bloody tree in the middle of the road. Been some big rocks as well. Let's dodge them. I think we've come past this village earlier. We're just trying to include. Oh, look at this, a couple of pears in road. You're a bit peckish. Just stop and grab a pear off the road. Ooh, apparently they don't like that in Spain, you know. Bit of fruit on floor, like off at orchards and stuff. Apparently they don't like you picking it up and like chowing down on it. Cheers, Shag. Cheers, Monsieur. Oh, it's nice though. Nice, very nice. What are we on? Flipping, look at this. Look at the state of this. Flipping it. It's a bit far down, isn't it? It's fantastic though. Going through the cliffs on balcony roads in Vercors. Flipping it. It's a long way down, isn't it? Wow. Got like this net above us. Look at all the rocks that are in it. They'd be on our head. Otherwise. Fantastic stuff. Look at this. Fantastic. We had to pop back into town, into bottom bit. Get some go-go juice for the bike. I think, oh, some stones on a log there. I think Adrian stopped for a picky pick. He'll catch up. His bike's been on a diet, hasn't it? Not taking him long to catch up. Look at this. Fantastic. Bit belowy, sorry about that. I had my visor open. Oh, flipping out. Looks like the road's crumbled in a few places. Ooh, just it's a big bump. Fantastic stuff. Absolutely fantastic. Well, it's not took me long to catch up, has it? Blimey. You can't help it on the Deauville. Race bike, innit? There's a little stone there. Dodge the stone, dodge the stone.
Fantastic picture back there, that shelf, that veranda.
I wanted to stop, but they were a bit tight, wasn't it?
top, but nobody came, so I've got a good picture. I can share it with you, mate.
Yeah, a few coughs and splutters from the old DeVille. Wonder sticks at full mast. Should hopefully get some nice picky pics. We're turning around. Tractor? Flipping out, what's he doing up there? Nice and cool here. You like that? It's good, innit? It's my best ballet move. A trot or up mountain. Smells like poo poo. Yeah. Malleval-en-Vercors. That's where we're going. We've got past the duster as well. In a bit, mates. See you in a little while. Wee wee wee. This is nice, isn't it? The one to stick on, yep. Still wobbling around. Oh, you can see like the crack between cliffs over there. The I don't know what to explain it. Look, you might get a quick view here. Look, ah, fantastic stuff. I can't look myself. I'll fall off the road. I'll be down there in the ditch. Trying to get the bike cart after that. Oh, it'll be fun. Oh, another one. Le tractor. He waits. Fantastic. Thank you, mate. Thank you. A doggy. Le wolf. Le woof woof. That's dog in French. Tim, really. I don't know what dog is in French. A few tractors up here then. I don't know what they're doing up here, like. Probably a lot of farm animals. Look at this scroddy body thing. It's a funny looking thing. We've got some goats. We've got a false neutral. Fantastic. Look at this view. Fantastic. Lovely stuff. Although the cameras are probably a bit too low on back to be able to see over the barrier. Gone for a bit of a super hang-on camera angle, ain't it? With no top box, so I thought I'd get creative. Up we go, up we go. Oh, that's a loud beep. Playing around with my intercom, trying to get my music back on. Oh, yeah, that's better. Fantastic stuff. Fantastic stuff, this. Fantastic. A little bit reminiscent, apart from the cliffs, of course, and all that stuff. A bit reminiscent of Peak District roads, this. Except the road surfaces aren't bad. Not full of potholes. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Malleval-en-Vercors. Oui, oui. We're gonna get a coffee. Ooh, bar, restauration. Acceptable. Fantastique. Don't want to get too close to edge. Go on, squeeze your fat bike in. Fantastic.